Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we saw the controller section of the programming. Now here, I'm going to go to my target Java. Now here the save function button, you go to the save button. First, I have to set the values. So here this one, target name, amount and date. So you have to, first you have to create the variable string. This one should be date, sorry, name. Target name, so target name equal txt name dot get text. After this, copy this paste it here. This one should be the txt amount. This one should be the amount. Or the date, string date. This one should be the date. Right. Now here we have to create the variable. It's a boolean data type. You have to create as save equal, could call the target controller. This target controller, you just right click this one, copy this, dot save, dot what are the functions there, press save. Right, save this method, save method. So here we have to write it here as here target. So you have to write it here, this one comp program target controller. It has a method which is a save. Just save method is here. You have a what is a it's giving. First one is the name, so target name, amount, date. We have to give it here, right? You have to give it here. This one should be boolean, right? So you have to give the type, right? If save, so write it here. This message is display j option pan dot show message dialog. So write this save. Otherwise failed. Right. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Target. You have to write ABC, amount this, date this. You have to write for start with the year 2033, month 12 month 3. Hit save button. Here save, it's working. Here it's working. Record is saved successfully. It's working. Okay, now let's close it. Now let's check in the database whether it's working fine or not. Might still work bad. Root 1 2 3. You can see here table target. Here it saved successfully, right? It saved successfully. Now what you're going to do is I'm going to go to here. It's working successfully well. Now After save the record, we have to clear the field. So yeah, we have to date all things. We have to focus on here. This one, paste it over here. After save the record, right? Perfect. Right. Now what you're going to do is, instead of do the things, we have to implement the encapsulation. So into our project. So here we have to, in order to implementation the encapsulation part, you have to go to the model section. You have to make the class target. So this is the efficient way to implement the WP, right? Here you have to create the variables string name, so target name. You have to use the double amount. So this is a date. You write a string date. It's a string date, right? Now here, I am going to implement the, this is a model class. In model, we have to implement the right click, refactor. You have to implement the encapsulation fields. I need all the fields of the encapsulation. You have to select all, right? Okay. So you have to select all. You have to click on this refactor. It will be implemented. That all the fields should be implemented. Very simply, you have to implement the encapsulation, right? So this is how we have to do the programming, right? Okay. So now go to the controller. Now you can see here only the three data there: name, amount, and date. So if we imagine, if we have a more than 10 fields of the form, more than 10 fields. Here only 3 fields of more than 10 fields. So each and every field you have to put, we have to write it here. String date, string address, all things. Instead of that, if we are writing like this, it is very efficient way to write the program, right? If we are do it like this way. So now here, the save method, what you're going to call it here is target, this class target, this class target, so create the object target. This one we have to get it there, import the package. It's a model package. You have to import the model package. Right? Now here, it's not error. We have to get a get method. So you have to write get name. So write a target, this target dot get name. Out of that target, get amount. Here this one should be there. You have set as double, that we have to make it as a double. This one target set date, get date, right? That's the thing here. We have to get all the data, right? So we have to get the data from where? The model. We have to get the data from the model and pass into the controller, right? So after that, controller pass into the view. So view, go here, save method. Here you have, after we change it, it passing the error. Okay, it will be passing the error. So here, what you are going to do here is, we have to remove it. Okay, you have to remove it. So here, you have to getting the data like this way. Right here, right here also. Now let's go to the target view. Here, this one we have to make it as a little bit confusing. We have a same thing name target, here also target. You have to change them, simply refactor, rename target model. So to make it as target model. So to make it as target model, this one. If it's target model, here also it will be changed. Here also you have to go to here. So try first implement at the target model, create the object T equal new target model. t dot, here you have to implement the target model, right? After t dot, you have to write set name, you have to set this target name over here. After the t dot set amount, you have to type this amount over here. That amount you have to write it here, double dot pass, double dot pass, double, because I am put it as a double, so you have to write double pass, double, here you have to pass the amount. After that, you have t, you have to write here date, right? After that, we are calling this t here to add the data, right? First, you have to get the data here. First, we have to get the data for the data receiving. After that, all the data we have to set into the tag. And the data, for the data you are typing, you are setting to update add the data into the database. Let's check whether it's showing fine or not. Target name b, your target name you write uh, some seasonal target. I just type it. You have to write the target amount. I'm going to write this date 3 month 12 date 5. Hit save button, record save. Right now the object oriented concept is working fine. Right now if you want to check it, MySQL work back. Okay, it's working successfully. Perfect. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.